Hi everyone, Tsering here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing this gorgeous makeup look that's also really easy to do. So you can wear this look to any party, to a wedding, or also to an event. So yeah, as always, you want to start off with well moisturized skin. Next, to highlight the center of my face, I'm taking my Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair and applying it to the center of my face. Next, moving on with Sugar's contour stick, I'm just going to apply that to all the areas that need to be contoured. And you guys, all the products mentioned are at a great deal right now because Amazon is having their mega sale. So make sure to check the links in the description. Next, taking this lip and cheek tint by Daughter Earth, I'm just going to apply it to my cheeks. And I know guys, it looks really dramatic, but it's all going to come together, I promise. So you want to go ahead and take your foundation, and I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline Super Stay foundation and dotting that over everything that we just did. Now you want to take a damp beauty blender and go ahead and blend everything out. Start off from the highlighted areas, moving on to the contoured areas, and finally go ahead and blend out the blush. And as you can see, it looks all put together. I've been really enjoying doing this method because it's super easy and fun. Finally, I'm taking some translucent powder by Sugar, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything in place and kind of baking my under eye area. Next, I'm going to take this very neutral toned gray shade from this L'Oreal eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to fill in my brows, and it gives me a very natural looking eyebrow, as you can see. Next, I'm taking the same shadow and I'm going to go ahead and create like a soft winged liner effect on both my eyes. Next, taking the same color again, but this time with a fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and create a soft V on the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm just slightly blending that inwards towards my crease. Coming to my favorite part, I'm taking this super gorgeous jelly eyeshadow by Sugar, and this one is in the shade called Grey Game. Absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that shadow. It's super stunning and very pigmented, and also unlike other liquid eyeshadows, it does not dry instantly, so that gives me enough time to sort of blend it out. And you want to make sure that it's completely dry or else it might end up creasing, and once it dries up, it stays put the entire day. So once that's done, you want to go ahead and take the same gray shadow and blend out the edges of the silver shadow so that everything looks nice and seamless. And also taking the same eyeshadow, I'm creating a shadow effect on my lower lash line. Then I'm just highlighting the inner corners of my eyes using the lighter shade from the palette. Moving on to lashes, I'm just curling my lashes and going in with my favorite Holy Grail mascara. This is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and look at that, you guys. I mean, it makes such a big difference to my lashes. For my lips, I'm going in with the same lip and cheek tint by Daughter Earth and applying that with a lip brush, and that's such a beautiful magenta color. Next, I'm just dusting off all of that excess powder from my face, and then taking the lighter shade from the palette again, I'm going to go ahead and highlight all the high points of my face. And as you can see, it gives me such a beautiful subtle highlight. So guys, you can always switch up your eyeshadows and use them as a highlighter. So just have fun with makeup and see what works for you. Lastly, I'm going in with the Pack eyelashes in number 59, and I love how it makes my eyes look super fluttery, and I love the wispy effect. So that completes my look. Absolutely love how glamorous it turned out, and also it's very easy to do. And guys, all the products I used will be linked down in the description below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and I'll see you guys next time.